Hi, I'm Phil, and welcome to Glade Run Ranch Homes, the only new ranch homes in Zelienople with a community pool, clubhouse, and pickleball court. Low maintenance lifestyle with grass cutting and snow removal included. Embrace an easier lifestyle with your owner's bedroom and everything you need right on the main level. Even your garage and laundry room are conveniently located on the first floor. No more hauling hampers up and down stairs. The open floor plans are perfect for welcoming friends and family, so you can still host holiday gatherings. Sought after details like quartz countertops, stainless steel appliances, spacious islands, and more are included in every home. Downstairs, you'll have ample storage even with the optional finished basement. Think about adding a bedroom to the lower level so that adult children or visiting guests have a place of their own. Glade Run offers not just a beautiful new home, but a whole new lifestyle, one designed with you in mind. Located just a few minutes from I-76, I-79, and Route 19, you'll be on your way to where you need to be in no time. Commuting to downtown Pittsburgh is a mere 30 minutes. Downtown Zelienople is just 1 mile away, so you can enjoy great food and drink at Burgers Brewing, Goodfellas Pizza and Grill, Icebox Homemade Ice Cream, Shoe Brew, or Spring and Main Cafe. Want to know how you can take advantage of the best possible price and get to select your favorite home site at Glade Run? Join the interest list. By joining the list, you will receive information on floor plans, updates, and invites for appointments not available to the general public. You'll get to schedule your one-on-one appointment, which will allow you to finally see the community for yourself and learn more about it. So join our interest list today. Your future self will thank you.